Test voltage at the thermostat backplate, starting with the power terminal and moving through each control terminal in a consistent order to avoid missteps. Begin by turning the system off at the thermostat to prevent shorts. Then remove the thermostat from its base to expose the wiring terminals. Set your multimeter to measure steady direct current voltage, and place the black lead on the common or ground and the red lead on the R terminal to confirm 5 to 24 volts, depending on the system. This verifies the transformer is delivering power. Next, measure G to common to check the fan control circuit and note whether it shows the same control voltage when the system is idle and when the fan is commanded on. If it changes only when commanded, the control path is functioning. Then measure Y to common to verify the cooling call circuit and observe voltage continuity when the thermostat is set to cool. Loss of voltage there indicates an open circuit or a control board issue. After that, measure W to common to test the heat call circuit and simulate a heat call by setting the thermostat to heat and raising the set point. Confirming voltage appears when heat is requested. Finally, recheck R to common at the end to ensure nothing changed during testing, and always power the system back on only after the thermostat is correctly seated and wires are secured. Common mistakes are testing in the wrong order and missing an intermittent fault, which you avoid by following the R, G, Y, W sequence and repeating measurements while toggling calls to see transient behavior. Another issue is referencing the wrong return so you get false readings, so always use the common or ground as your black lead reference and verify that reference first. A third frequent problem is not accounting for systems with a separate common that is not present at the thermostat, which causes you to think there is no power. If you see no common, trace to the furnace or air handler control board to test R to C directly and identify whether the transformer or wiring is the fault. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work by connecting them with nearby projects and homeowner requests. We also host a discussion community on the site where we and other members share practical troubleshooting tips and vendor experiences related to thermostat diagnosis and broader home systems.